No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So welcome to Wonderland 2025. We've got loads to look at today guys. We've had a mad hot weekend. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the videos folks. So we're going to kick the video off with our stand, both sides all the way up. Come with a great representation today, and then we'll take a look at the other cars. We've got Ford Sport in the corner here, look, with some lovely cars on display. Lovely Capri there, and we've got Star Wars heading towards us. Great representation for the club today. Loads of different models of Fords, mainly STs. I've got a Ranger today, look. We brought the Focus. Wicked turnout. We've got Biddy here, look. Hello. AKA Jurassic Park. Yeah, so we've come out the gazebo. Take a quick walk around while the sun's gone under the cloud, behind the clouds. Got a support van here today, look. But yeah, this show is sports and classics, so there's a lot of classics to look at today. We've got Tamworth Mini Owners Club here. Look at the Wrangler. That's cool. Big snorkel on it. Everybody's under the gazebos, look. Got an old E-Type here, Jag. Escort, this is the Nottingham RS Owners Club. Some lovely cars on display from these guys, all very clean. Did actually see this Mark 6 on the end Friday. It's absolutely immaculate. And for the mileage, this car's actually done 150k, which you wouldn't believe. Some Mark 7s as well to look at. Lovely display of cars, as I said, from these guys. Nice clean RS there, look. Capri. Mark 1 RS. RS 1600. That's looking nice and clean. Some beautiful cars on display. We're going to cut this corner and have a look at some of the single exhibitors with Mr. Rowe there. Get down this row here, look. That's just old, look at that. Not even sure what that is, in all honesty. It's a Skoda. And another Skoda next to it. Mini Cooper. Look at that, that's old as well. Couple of more minis. Honda Prelude. It's a nice colour as well. Nice BMW, look. And look at these E-Type Jags, all with the bonnets up. Fantastic. We've got some more minis here, look. Another row of minis. It's a lovely 205 Rally. It's the Euro as well. Quick look under the bonnet. Merc. We've got Amber Valley Classic Car Club. A few Vauxhalls there, look. GTE Astra. We've got the buggy there. The Harlequin Fiesta. Kate, she's a part of our club as well. Look at the rally car there, look.
3 years in a row now. Yeah, we have.
Suzuki Jimny. It's mint. That looks nice. Plenty of minis. Capri. There's loads of Capris to look at the top, because this show is organised by the Mansfield Capri Club. Alan, Mick and the team, they do a fantastic job on putting this show up. Stig 106, look. Nissan Micra, Escorts, Granada. Plenty of Fords here today. MGs, MX5s, Escort Cabby. Got a Fiesta here, look, with the it's got club stickers on it. Looks very nice and smart. Clean under that engine bay. Escort on the end lot. We've got the Mexico there. Jag there. We'll get these Ford Sport guys in. We've got Jimmy here, look.
Hello.
Hello, mate. How's it going?
Good to see you again.
Reggie?
You giving thumbs up? What are you like?
I don't know.
Good to see you, mate.
Yeah, you too, mate. See you later. That's a lovely Escort there, look. That's very clean. Look at under the bonnet of that. Got the pop there, look. Focus. Volkswagen Golf, look. Cabby. I do like this. This one's got like the Cosworth Auto stars on it. That looks mint. Got Mark 7 there, look. A few stalls about. There is more stalls over that other side. We're going to take a quick walk down this row. There are some spaces. It's been very hot this morning, and we did have a little bit of rain, so could have put a few people off and they've gone. But we'll carry on looking at what we've got. That's nice. I like the white on the tyres. That's an old classic, look. F-Pace. We've seen this ex-police car a few times on the channel at the Griffin's Head. This is the Little John Classic Car Club. And we've got an Escort parked there, look. I mean, looking at the Audi TT, you wouldn't imagine that that's 22 years old. MGs. There's something else you don't see much of anymore, is the Subarus. They used to be everywhere. Quite a rarity these days. Kit car. Saab convertible as well, look. That's cool. Old Rover, look. Astra convertible. Lovely Cosworth. Porsche next to it. Let's skip through to this row. It's a lovely Merc. Very clean inside. So a quick whip up this end. Fiesta Flight. XR3i. This lovely Focus ST500. Bit of information there on about it. Very clean. Ford Probe. So we'll carry on back this way now. See what's down here then. That's an old one, isn't it? Austin. Little Fiesta, look. That's a Toyota Supra. Cobra, look at that. MG. Another XR3i, that's very clean. Very nice paintwork on that one. MG, Triumph, and a big RS4. It's looking good. TR6, Volvo, that's an old one. Mercedes, is that a Lotus? Not quite sure. Old BMW, another Audi, look, Quattro. Wow, look at that old MG. Bentley, Lotus. Look at this, this is weird. Talbot, Matra, with the spotlights on it. Couple of Capris. Got a newer style Merc. Couple of Mercs, look. And then some MGs. Should I say Rover 75s? Got Cami's ST170. It's nice and clean. Got another Mark 1 Focus there, look. Couple of more Focuses here. 1.6 Sport. Help for Heroes. Got the Orion RS 1600. Escort. Another Escort. Cortina. Loads of Fords here today. Escort. That's nice there. Austin. Look at that, that's got wide arches on it, hasn't it? Look at this. That is cool. Drive it day. Merc 190E. Got to love a 190. Triumph. MG. Jag XJS. That's lovely and clean. MG.
Oh yeah.
Look at this big Comet. Some more Cortinas here, look. Lovely, look at this red one, that's lovely. Got a Cosworth engine in it as well. Another one here, look. All very clean engine bays. And another one. 1600, that one. Look at that, PT Cruiser. Another Merc, very similar to the one over there that we saw. Mini, newer style. Some more Cortinas here. And we've got a lovely standard example of a facelift Mark II. Facelift. ST. Some lovely vehicles on display today. Austin's, look. Very nice. And a Daimler on the end. So we've got a couple more rows to do. We'll come back to the Mustang Club on the corner. Sierra. Look at that, Rover Metro GTA. Austin 1100. That's a big one, isn't it? Jag XK. Look at the paint on that one. Wow, that's a big American car. And we've got the Plymouth. Oh mate, you alright? Ford Racing Puma. Absolutely beautiful, that. Elvis. Cortina. Some brilliant cars. Have you noticed that most of the old cars, the way that the bonnet's open? Lotus there. BMW there. Not sure what that one is. Morris. V8 Vauxhall. BMW M. Another BMW there, look. Sierra gear. Some Morrises. MG V8 in that little thing. Look at the big Volvo there, look, that's cool. Escort Mexico with the big rally pods on. MX5. RS4 Audi. That looks sweet, that does. Lovely Mark II RS in green. We've got the Puma here. Only 2 at the show so far we've seen today. Derek's Cosworth. And we've got a Rolls Royce here. Mercedes there. Another PT Cruiser. MG. Look at this old Austin. Sorry, it's a Triumph. I'm sure Austin used to make one of them as well. And then we've got the big Ford wagon on the end. Is it a Granada? Or is it a Cortina? Yeah, Granada 2.8. Look at this. That's cool. And then we've got loads of Capris. The guys that put the show on. Some more Fords. These are the stars of film, TV and media. So these must have been in film and TV. Capri there, look. Yeah, you got the Back to Future car here. And there's all the Capri Club. Fantastic lineup there, look. You've got that Capri there, the auto car one. Lovely Fiesta ST over there. Beautiful Fords on display. Loads of Capris. How many Capris in one place? Where else would you see this, guys? They're literally never ending, look. Capri after Capri after Capri. And you've even got a police car one here, look. How cool is that? Nice green one, look. Burgundy. Gold. Black and red. The guys have got all the merch for sale there, look. They've got the first aid unit there. More and more Capris. And then we're heading on to the Mustangs now. Some Mustangs to look at. Got the milkshake stall there, look. Burgers and stuff. And here's all the Mustangs. MOCGB. Mustang Owners Club, Great Britain. Like the orange one. Shelby there, look. It's a nice green one. Blue convertible. And the black GT on the end. And then all the way down this side you've got like an auto jumbo and stalls selling things from hats to car parts and cleaning parts. But as you can see, guys, it's been a good turnout today. Loads of cars on display. Right then, guys, we have come to the end of the video there. Was a quick flip round. Very muggy. It's been a very hot weekend. We've been here since Friday. But I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.